can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana is up 59% over the last 1 year. Solana has rallied by 6.3% over the last 1 month. The altcoin market is bubbling. We're seeing a lot of altcoins going off on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, but the altcoin season index says we're not yet in an altcoin season. Solana trades around $227. How high can Solana go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is the top in for Solana? Should we be getting ready to sell our stash? Do we still have one more wave to the upside where Solana could easily pump to $300, $500? Maybe we even see Solana getting to as high as $1,000. We look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. We look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. Also pay attention to Solana's market cap, which currently sits at $124 billion. Bitcoin dominance sits at 59%. We're expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. How will that affect the price of Solana? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market has been bubbling over the last 1 week. We've seen Zcash, we've seen BNB, we've seen Bitcoin, the king of the market, have huge rallies, and questions are asked. Where is altcoin season? Is this the altcoin season we are promised? Solana currently sits around $227. You'll be forgiven if you have been holding Solana over the last 2 years. Solana first had a crazy rally where market participants got excited. We saw it pumping from the $8 level in December of 2022. We saw Solana rallying to as high as $200 on the 11th of March 2024. But since then, guys, nothing crazy has happened to Solana. Even though there has been a lot of hype, there have been talks about ETF, talks about meme coin season, talks about how Solana will be the future of NASDAQ, yada yada yada. Solana has really not done anything. If you look at the chart, after rallying by 2,400% in 448 days, we have seen Solana not quite return anything since March of 2024. Yes, Solana got into new all-time highs after then, rallying up by 40%, but then the inverse is also true. Solana has lost 50%, and it has been more than 574 days. Solana has failed to break out of that range. So, a lot of market participants are asking the $1 million question. Is the cycle over for Solana? Is this all Solana will have to do in the cycle? Bitcoin is near all-time highs. Solana itself is near all-time highs. Just a 20% pump from where we're currently trading right now could easily see Solana pumping to a new all-time highs. And historically, that pump can happen in 24 hours, just like we saw in January of 2025. Solana was trading around $227. Rumors there going around Donald Trump is going to launch his meme coin on Solana, and then we saw that final pump to the upside where Solana gave us around a 30% pump in less than 7 days. Everything is possible in the altcoin market. You never want to say never, but you have to keep your eyes open. You have to plan your trade and trade your plan. And guys, if you're looking at what Solana has done over the years, yes, Solana has given us one of the biggest gainers in this cycle, but then we have to be realistic. We have seen a lot of distribution happening in Solana since the 11th of March 2024. The volume has increased. There's an increase in volume, and there's no increase in price. A lot of smart players have been selling. You have to ask yourself this $1 million question. Who has been selling and why Solana has been going sideways? Solana has been going sideways because the market participants that have enough supply are selling, and that's why we cannot go to higher prices. It's been more than 574 days. Solana has been going sideways. This is the biggest consolidation that Solana is doing before it magically breaks into crazy new all-time highs, or this is going to be a distribution of a lifetime where Solana is going to be dumping aggressively to gobbling town. You never want to say never about the altcoin market. Let's look at some details about Solana. Currently trading around $228 with a market cap of $124 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $139 billion. The all-time high for Solana happened on the 19th of January 2025. Solana traded for as high as $294. Right now it's down 22% from its all-time highs. You want to get some Solana for yourself? You can get some Solana on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Orbit, on OKX, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana right there. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solutions. And right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market, which is good to see. You want to see a lot of greed in the cryptocurrency market. That's when all coins do well. That's when all coins pump. And right now, Solana trading at the $227 level. I believe if extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, pandemonium is going to ensue. As all coins will be pumping, imagine Solana going up 20% 24 hours, all-time highs. Market participants will get excited. Bitcoin is near all-time highs. Ethereum is near all-time highs. And we are seeing some subsets of altcoin market pumping front, left, and center. Zcash has been having a rally. BNB has also been having a rally. The more we see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, guys, the more you'll be expecting crazy price actions. We've seen BNB overtake Solana. Don't be shocked to see Solana also having huge gains over the next few days. We're not yet in an altcoin season, which is very good. When we get to altcoin season, we'll all be singing Kumbaya, we'll all be raising hands, and we're going to the moon. But remember, guys, don't get carried away. The game you're playing is against other market participants. Your number one job is to buy as low as possible, is to sell as high as possible. Solana ETFs will be approved on the 13th of October 2025. Hopefully, they get approved then. Hopefully, they launch that day. We'll see them getting launched that day. Expect to see a big pump to the upside. You want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when there's fear in the market, and when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, it's been dumping. It's been losing value against Ethereum. We had some last 2 weeks where it tried to pump to higher prices, but it looks like that rally was short-lived. I'll not be shocked, guys, to see Solana continue dumping to gobbling town against Ethereum. Solana started dumping to gobbling town against Ethereum since the 14th of April 2025, and coincidentally, that's when Ethereum started this crazy run, where it has pumped from as low as $1,300. Ethereum has gotten to as high as $4,900. I'll still be championing for Solana to make a tiny move against Ethereum, maybe not to all-time highs. I literally believe that Solana has topped against Ethereum already. From here, it's going to be downhill for Solana. Maybe we see it dumping to gobbling town, but one thing is sure, I believe Ethereum is going to outperform Solana in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at Solana's market cap, it's almost at a new all-time highs. More tokens are coming to circulation, so the market cap is rallying crazily to new all-time highs. Even though the price is not near new all-time highs, the price is at $227 or $28. We need around the 20% pump to get to new all-time highs on Solana price. On the market cap chart, we just need to see around the 13% pump to the upside. So we're going to see Solana's market cap set new all-time highs before the US dollar price chart gets to new all-time highs. Don't get carried away. Remember, it's because more tokens have come to circulation. Solana has been rallying since December of 2022. Don't forget, the rally will come to an end. The rally doesn't last forever. Solana has been pumping. In the cryptocurrency market, we always say we have 4-year cycles. The market pumping 4-year cycles. But anytime we get to the end of the 4-year cycle, market participants start saying, you know what? Maybe this time is 5 years. Maybe this time is 6 years. This time is not different. We're very close to the end, guys. We're closer to the end than we are to the beginning. Start having your plan, your exit plan. The bull run will not last forever. When we finally see Bitcoin dominance dumping, that will be a telltale sign for it to start running to the hills. Bitcoin dominance dumping with all coins pumping to the moon and market participants singing Kumbaya. When you see all that happening at the same time, guys, that will be a telltale sign to run for the hills. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Solana going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible against the US dollar? Can we get $400, $500 Solana? When will you be selling your Solana for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.